Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetarian stew in Dreamlight Valley. Start with the required ingredients. You'll need 1 potato, 1 carrot, and 1 onion. These are staple vegetables, easily harvested from your garden or found foraging in areas like the peaceful meadow. Once you have these 3 essential items, head over to any cooking station in your valley. This simple dish is a fantastic way to restore energy and is quite easy to prepare. Now, approach your cooking pot. Open your inventory and carefully drag 1 potato, 1 carrot, and 1 onion into the cooking slots. It's crucial to only use these 3 specific ingredients. Adding anything else, especially meat or fish, will result in a different dish. This precise combination guarantees you'll create the delicious vegetarian stew. Once cooked, your vegetarian stew is ready to enjoy. This hearty meal provides a significant energy boost, restoring 1,390 energy points. As a 3-star dish, it offers a good balance of ingredient accessibility and energy restoration, making it a valuable meal for any adventurer in the valley. It's perfect for those long days of mining or gardening. To keep your pantry stocked, remember that you can cultivate potatoes, carrots, and onions in your garden. Planting and harvesting these regularly ensures you always have the necessary components for this stew. If you have an abundance of ingredients, feel free to cook several stews at once to save time. This simple, nutritious meal is a cornerstone for maintaining your energy throughout your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.